Hey everyone, today back here with another card opening. So we're going to open up some more Doom Trooper Inquisition cards. We've got there 4 packs here, so let's get started. Okay, so the first card here, Hidden Cache, a special card. We've got the equipment card, Inquisitor's Battle Dress. We got the art card, Summon Defense. The special card, Tight Formation. Another special card, Preferred Spell. With the warrior card, Zenithian Slaughtermaster. With the special card, Wrath of Algaroth. And the last card in the first pack is the art card, Nathaniel's Opportunity. Moving on to the second pack here. So we've got the special card here, Thaddeus's Palette. Special card, Curse of Algaroth. Art card, Arctic Wave. Equipment card, Laser Sight. The special card, Bolster Your Forces. The art card, Press. We have the fortification card, the Volksburg Cathedral. And the last card in the pack is an equipment card, Improved Karachi. Something like that, whatever. Move on to the third pack here. Start off here with the art card, Elemental Alteration. We got the art card, Transmutation. Special card, Thaddeus's Palette. Special card, Curse of Algaroth. We got the warrior card, Moaji's Cultist. Equipment card, Laser Sight. And their equipment card, Black Bullets. And we got a relic card here, Mission Statement. Okay, moving on to the last pack here. Starting off here with special card, Tight Formation. Special card, Attraction. We got the warrior, Ilian Cultist. Special card, Noted Collector. And we've got the equipment card, Mystic Battle Dress. We've got the fortification card, Sewers. And with the equipment card, the Nimrod MK1. And the last card in the pack is a warrior card and Apostate of the Dark Legion there. So that wraps up this booster pack unboxing, or booster packs anyways. Thanks for watching.